The cell may be located out of the cell. Without it, the cell to things that wouldn't be well. It also controls what goes in and out. Without a doubt, cell won't be able to live without. It's like a bodyguard to keep all those protected, to make sure that the cell isn't infected. The cell membrane gives the cell structure, ensures that the cell would not rupture. The cell membrane, the cell's best friend, make sure the cell's work won't end.
Nucleolus has a complex structure with extra protection. It helps with direction. It's fabulous. There's one, not numerous. Nucleolus, it's spherical. Like the head of our state, it's a capital. There's no exception that with DNA, it's perfection. Nucleolus, it's spherical.
The nuclear membrane is a double layer, yeah. Composed of two philosophical layers, yeah. It surrounds the nucleus like a moat. It has an important role that it plays to protect the nucleus hypersplit. You might be asking where the nuclear membrane protects the nucleus from, and make sure it doesn't mix with the chloroplast.
In potent EU cells, does that ring a bell? Jelly-like material found inside the cell supports and protects cell organelles just like a shell. Keeps all the organelles in place. It's just like a base. Without cytoplasm, organelles would have no protection. These cells would have a defection.
Listen up, I got a tale to tell about a tiny organelle. It's called a ribosome cell. Made in the nucleus, man, there's a ton. It's as if they get up with the rising sun. In the cell cytoplasm where the action's at, they live behind the plasmic reticulum like they're in combat. They read the RNA like it's reading its beat. Amino acids dancing, making proteins complete. They're not bound by any membrane. In fact, they're free to hop on a plane. If we didn't have it, cells would officially quit.
Yo, listen up, I got a story to tell about a tiny powerhouse, you know it well. It's a mighty mitochondria, the cell's VIP, powering up life like electricity. In the cells in your room where the cell's energy's made. Mitochondria work hard, they never trade. From eukaryotic origins they erode. Now they're in every cell wherever life goes.
Golgi bodies are the mailman of the cell, moving proteins and lipids. The Golgi body does this so well. Golgi bodies are all about moving the proteins from cell to cell. Yeah, that's what they're made for, and they do it so well. Moving things they receive from the endoplasmic reticulum. Make sure the cell is fully done. Moving proteins, does it ring a bell? That's what Golgi bodies do to help the cell.
Lysosomes take out the chromosomes, digest the organelles that are all in the cell. That makes the cell get really well. It says all the viruses, expose all the things in the cell. Under our nose, we got lysosome cells. Wouldn't be able to decompose. Made of vesicles that are all from the Golgi body. Super important to all the cell, and if not there, then we will be here.
Yo, this is for the endoplasmic reticulum. Yeah, the ER actually isn't that dumb. Transports, sort of like an airport. Proteins are what it transports. Oh, you might need a passport for your plane to another airport. My home at the ER also breaks down, dries in the cell, so there's no need to dwell. Yeah, the series of tubes is super duper cool. So many sacs, which means it doesn't lack. Smooth with the ribosomes, but rough without. Oh, so many things to talk about.
In the cell, I'm the vacuole MVP. Skibbity toilet vibes, yeah, that's the key. I'm the storage king, got that cellular grace. Skibbity toilet flush in my membrane space. Floating like a bubble, call it vacuole bliss. Skibbity toilet dance, in every cell's twist. I'm the storage champ, holding it tight. Skibbity vibes, day and night. Sipping on water, like a plant cell boss. Skibbity toilet flush, away the loss. I'm a water balloon, in the cell parade. Skibbity rhythm, in every molecule cascade. Keeping it fresh, like a breeze in the air.
Listen up, I got a story to tell about a tiny organelle. The chloroplast, the real MVP, where photosynthesis happens, you see. Absorbing light and making glucose, releasing oxygen and making us breathe. Thylakoids are stroma, light dark reactions, building energy, plant satisfaction. Respect the leaf for chloroplast rule, a superstar that powers the whole.
For Fortnite, where battles rage, cells rise on the wall in the digital stage. Fortified structures, solid and tall like the